how to fix the Bet365 app not working. Here's what you want to do first. You want to go into the App Store and just search for Bet365. You want to make sure that you have the most current version of the app itself. Click on Bet365 here. If it says open instead of update, then that means that you have the most current version. If it says update, just make sure you update to the latest version. Now, if you have verified this, you can go into your settings and search for iPhone storage. Now from here, what we're gonna do is just find the Bet365 app. You wanna click on show all and just locate the application. So I have a few apps, so I'm gonna pause and come back once I find it. Okay, so once you find the app, you wanna click on it, and here you both see offload app. Click on offload app, then you wanna click on reinstall app, and this is going to verify the integrity of the files for Bet365, and this should fix the app not working on iPhone. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.